Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna list few of my favorite things with which I just can't do without. Like अगर मैं सुबह उठती हूँ वो चीज़ें अगर मेरे पास नहीं होती, I'm just like what the hell, what is happening in my life? So what I have done is that I have made a list of few things which are like way too important to all of us, but sometimes we get afraid, like we get like uncomfortable using that. So few of the things are going to be that, and other than that there are few things which are like necessity, like basic things जो कि हमारे पास एक होनी ही चाहिए बैग में, travel बैग में, हमारे हैंड बैग में. So yeah, I have made the whole list about it. So let's just get started now. Starting with the first thing is using a menstrual cup. Now this is something which we all need, but more importantly I think we should all start using it because this is high time, girls. You know, using sanitary napkins and tampons, those are just single use items and a lot of carbon footprint goes into making those products, and that just, you know, harms our environment so much. But switching to a menstrual cup like this one from Namya, that just saves you a lot more money and is helpful for the environment too. And why I said that this is going to be saving you a lot of money and is going to be helpful for the environment too, because this is just a one-time investment, and by investment I, you know, don't mean that you have to invest a lot of money. This one is priced at only rupees 499 and you can use it for minimum 6 months to maximum 10 years with proper care. How cool is that? So guys, this is how it looks like, and it comes with a proper instruction manual. You can just read it and try it out by your own self, and even teenagers can use it. This is perfectly safe, and this is made from 100% medical grade silicone. And pro tip would be that if you are a first time using this menstrual cup, try to use panty liners so that you will get hold of, you know, how this thing works, and later you can stop using that. I mean, choice is all yours. Also, this thing comes with this disinfecting menstrual cup wash, which is great. Like, you just have to pour some of it, just wash it like you normally do, and yeah, you're just done. And why I personally switched to using this Namya menstrual cup after using so many sanitary pads and tampons is I can just move around very freely for like 12 hours straight without worrying about anything. And you can just empty this cup for at least twice daily, and later you can just wash it with this disinfecting menstrual cup wash and just store it in this cute little pouch that comes with it, and you'll be just good till your next period. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to be linking it down for you guys to make your work easier. And now let's move on to the next one. So guys, next thing is using a microfiber towel. Now you guys must be thinking कि हमारे जो regular towels होते हैं उनमें ऐसी क्या problem आ गई थी कि now that we have to use a microfiber towel. Okay, so personally ऐसे humid environment में and summers maybe I get frizzy hair a lot. Like my hair is all over the place, not right now, but anyway in general, like if you look at me you'll be like is she Sonia? Anyway, using a microfiber towel kind of helps me a lot, keeping my hair calm and relaxed, and it is a great absorbent than our cotton towels. And look how small it is. Actually, I just use it for my head and not for my body, and later you can just dry it normally and just, you know, fold it and pack it in your travel bag. This is so cute actually, and look at the color. Matchy. So third one is using an under eye cream. I get so many requests from you guys that you really want to reduce your dark circles. Now you can use any under eye cream which is available in market, because to be very honest all of them are great. But personally what I love doing is I just pour little amount of coconut oil with this finger, like ring finger, which is the lightest finger. I just apply little amount of coconut oil all over my eyes. I just massage it very gently, like बहुत ही प्यार से, before I'm going to bed, and that is it. I just go to sleep. At the same time, I know that a lot of people don't like putting anything on their face, but massaging your eyes with coconut oil is great, because that not only is good for your dark circles, but at the same time if you're just massaging your eyes even for around 1 minute, that just gives you a very nice sleep and you just wake up very fresh. So that's good, right? Next point is something जिसको लेके बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाले questions आते हैं मेरे पास, and that is using a face eraser. Now this is something which, like, it just changed my makeup game and my entire life in general, because after using this it just gives you a very smooth, plain blank canvas, and you can just do anything on your face later on. And even if you do not want to do anything now, and you're just doing your basic skincare routine, you will see the difference it makes, trust me. one basic question which I get asked a lot is that if you're going to be using a razor, a face razor or any sort of razor, are we going to get harsh hair or hard hair, or are we going to get pimples and rashes and so many other things? To be very honest, no, those things are just myths. And of course, like if you're removing your hair with a razor, you will get small bumps, but that just goes away with time. Like after some point it just all goes away. You have to give it some time, you have to be patient with it, and you will see the difference by your own self. I have made like so many videos about face shaving and even about how I shave my whole body, so I'm going to be linking all of them in description box down below. And yeah, again, this is just a tiny little product, a game changer, life changer for me personally. And yeah, you can just keep it anywhere in your travel bag, in your purse. I guess एक तो होना ही चाहिए तुम्हारे जो main bag होता है ना तुम्हारे पास, because you know you're out there somewhere and your upper lip is not done, your eyebrow is not done. You can just quickly do it and you know किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि तुमने इतनी जल्दी कर लिया है, and you will save a lot of money as well. So guys, the next thing is my personal like favorite thing which I just can't do without it, and you can use it or you can't use it according to your preference. Okay, so it is basically using a hand cream. I just can't do without it. Like I just need it all the time in my bag around me. Like I just use it every hour. Like I need it this much in my life, and my hands are always dry. I just have no idea why, and I really envy those people जिनके हाथ always moisturized रहते हैं. And I'm like, how does it feel to be God's favorite? But anyway, I just use and I just prefer using a hand cream and not any lotion or creams, because that feeling is very sticky. And अगर hand creams अगर एक purpose के लिए बनी है, so that actually serves all the purpose, so I'm fine with it. Next thing is something which I think a lot of people will relate with, especially those who just love doing makeup in general. So the next thing is using this. This is a makeup brush cleaner, and this actually changed my acne game also, because earlier I was way too messy with my makeup brushes. Like पुराने brushes को ही मैं use करने लग जाती थी अपने face पे, and of course it's very unhygienic and you will start getting breakouts, and that's not good. So yeah, you just have to clean your brushes like this, and you can just dry it and later use it. It's all fresh and clean, and saves you a lot of time as well. Next are keeping extra pair of bra straps in your bag, because this has happened with me so many times. For example, if you are someone who loves wearing different sort of clothes, different sort of styles, these are going to come in handy a lot. And once you're done with them, you can just remove them, because these are removable straps. You can just remove them later on and keep them again in your bag. And if you do not need it later on, there might be someone else around you who might need it, and you can just help the other girl out, because why not? And lastly is keeping a portable charger in your bag. Most of the times I'm roaming around alone at night, or I'm outside for some work, and these days phones are just never fully charged, no matter kitne bhi अच्छे mobile phones ho. So having a portable mobile charger is good, especially for protection wise. Like your phone is always charged, you feel more safe, and you can just call anyone in the time of emergency. You sort of just feel safe. So be safe, try to use these points which we discussed in today's video in your life, and let me know how it actually worked for you guys in comments down below. And that is it for today. Let me know how was it, and share your reviews and comments in comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.